Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can extend the time to the screen timeout here at the iPhone 17 Pro. By the way, it works also for the 17 Pro Max. Yeah, I think you know this already. After a certain time, the phone is going to auto lock, and yeah, like here in my case. And let me show you how you can extend it. So just go to the settings, scroll down a bit to the point display and brightness, and go a bit below to the point auto lock. And you can extend it by default. It is 30 seconds. Yeah, extend it to 1 or maximum 2 minutes because the screen is taking here the most energy. So take care of it. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.